Hello, good day friends. Welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a new quantitative platform that just got launched. Well, it's actually existing before then they upgraded it. Now as you can see, as I always do, this is actually a live wallet account that I make different interactions with different quantitative platform and I earn from them. So you can see right here displayed on my screen and you can see the right amount that I have here. So quickly now let's get started. Now first of all, the first thing you need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check down the comment section because I'm going to pin it in the comment section. So what you just need to do primarily first is to register using an email, or you register using your phone number, which you're just going to tap here, and then you pick your country code and then you register. Or if you're making use of your email, the same thing for email or phone number, you just choose your login password and your security password. Now for me, I'm already registered on this account, but I haven't made any form of withdrawal, so I just want to get started right now and do everything live before your very presence. So this is how we're going to get started. As you can see, I'm closing down my details because these are actually private stuff and they need to be private. So let's get started immediately. So I'm going to register now on this account, so let me just do it quickly. Let's get started now. So first of all, what you need to do in order for you to understand how this platform basically works, I want you to watch it from the beginning to the end. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal here, so you can see once you come here, you are going to see all this detail. Please ensure that you read them so you can understand how the platform works much more better. But I'm going to be showing you with this my tutorial guide, you'll be able to understand for yourself. Now you can see there is a recharge option and there's a withdrawal option. Now before you even make any attempt to recharge, just come here and tap on quantify. Quantify is the second icon counting from my left. Now once you look on quantify, you are going to see different form of upgrade, and there is a profit ratio for what you are going to be earning based on your startup. Now we have the VIP1, VIP2, all of them come with a different amount. So for me, I'm going with VIP1, so let's go VIP1. So for me, I've already made a recharge. So if you just look at your earning interest for VIP1, there's a 15% interest based on what your startup, which you are seeing right here on my screen. VIP2 startup, everything is just different. So if you are done recharging, and this is how you are going to recharge. So before you just come here, tap on recharge. So once you tap on recharge, they are going to give you a different USDT address that you can deposit using. There is a USDT TRC20 network, and there is also there is TRX on its own, and then we have BEP20 network, and then you can also make use of BNB. The BNB you are going to be recharging here is going to be equivalent based on the VIP you want to make use of. But I normally encourage you make use of USDT BEP20 or TRX20 network. So once you are done with that, you are just going to tap on quantify, and then you just tap on start quantify. So once you tap on start quantify, automatically it's going to give you a profit ratio of that your startup capital, you understand. So for me, I tap on start quantify, so you're going to see how much I'm going to earn. So you're going to see this is just 1.4. so I'm going to encourage you guys to you can just make use of just VIP1 depending on how much you have to let's go. So let me just place withdraw of what I just made. So this is just around this is the little, you can see my startup upgrade was around 10 USDT, right? So I'm going to be earning an interest in the next 14 days from now. So let's just let's receive this one first. Let's see how it goes. Remember, I've not made any withdrawal here. I want to do everything live and direct in your presence. And like I always encourage in my video, if you want to get onboarded on quantitative platforms as this, please make sure you are making use of funds that you have the ability to let's go. Do not just go stack up you can see my withdrawal is success, right? So do not just go pack up everything and then you put it into platforms as this. Make sure you do everything with good risk, proper risk management. So this is how it actually is. So you can come for yourself and you can contact their customer support here. You can see their customer support right here. Now this is the link to my telegram. The link to my telegram channel, I'm going to drop it as a pinned comment in this video. You can also get started on different form of token adoption for yourself. If you click on this look at this icon here, you can see an icon I'm rotating on the screen, right? If you tap on it, you can also go access their telegram channel for yourself. And also, so this platform, like I said, I've actually made a video about it before. This is an upgraded version of the same platform. So let's come here to confirm if our withdrawals arrive. Remember what we withdrew, right? And remember what we had here before. So let's scroll. So you can see it has already arrived even before I even checked on it. So you can see this is what we actually receive. So this is what I'm going to be receiving till this platform close up, you understand. For example, remember I started with around 10 here. Let's confirm it. You can see what I started with around 10. So if I'm making withdrawal of 1.45 in the next 7 days, that's almost That's almost equivalent to what I actually started up with here. So as long as platform keep on running, I'm still going to be earning more interest. So that's why I encourage you, if you want to do platform as this, please make sure you make use of what, don't pack all your whole capital and engage on them. That's why I said you can also, after you do this and earn good ROI from it, come to my Telegram channel and participate in different token adoption, so you make good funds from there. You can see there are different airdrops right here. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. Thank you.